If you are shooting with an Osmo Action 5 Pro, you must have probably noticed one thing. The colors of the Osmo never match the footage from your primary camera. The standard 10-bit color profile is oversaturated, overprocessed, and almost impossible to grade to any other camera. That's why you should start using D-Log M. It gives you more dynamic range, cleaner highlights, and real freedom to color match your footage. D-Log M is a flat color profile, which means the footage needs to be color corrected in post to restore its natural colors. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert D-Log M into natural Rec.709 color standard that blends perfectly with your main camera. To perform the D-Log M color correction, you will need DJI Studio installed on your computer. I have linked the official download page in the description below. Make sure you install it before continuing. Once DJI Studio is installed and running, click on Create Project button to create a new project. On the left side, in the media library, you can click the import button and browse to select your video files. Or simply drag and drop your clips directly into the media library. Once imported, drag the imported clip onto the timeline. Now to properly convert your D-Log M footage to standard Rec.709 color space, you have two options. The first option is using DJI's built-in color recovery. Select your clip in the timeline. On the right side panel, go to the Adjust tab. Here you'll find a checkbox labeled Color Recovery. Make sure this is checked. Below that, in the name drop-down, select Osmo Action series. Finally, in the color drop-down, select D-Log M. This tells the software exactly what color profile you shot the footage, and it automatically applies the correct color transformation to bring your footage into a proper Rec.709 color space. That's option 1. The second option is using DJI's official LUT. The LUT you can download from DJI's official website. I have linked it in the description below. After downloading, go to the Filter tab at the top of your screen. Click on the LUT, then Import, and navigate to your downloaded LUT file. Once imported, select the LUT from the LUT menu and click the small Add Filter icon. This applies the official DJI LUT to your footage. And that's it. Now you know 2 simple ways to restore DJI's D-Log M footage and get clean natural colors. From here, you can fine-tune contrast, exposure, and color to match your other cameras. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions about D-Log M or the Osmo Action 5 Pro, drop them in the comments. I'll definitely reply to every single one of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.